You're strapped in, the cabin door's closed, and just as the plane starts taxiing, it hits. That slow, creeping kind of hunger, yeah, we've all felt it. We all know it. But here's what most people don't realize. What you do next separates regular flyers from the smart ones. And if you click away now, you'll miss some TSA-safe food tricks that even frequent travelers don't know. Tricks that save money, cut stress, and honestly feel like you're beating the whole airport system. So let's jump into 11 simple but genius snack hacks, going from pretty handy to, wait, that's actually allowed? Trick 11, the cold bottle ice pack hack. This one is honestly one of the smartest travel cheats people forget to use. Instead of packing a gel ice pack that melts in minutes and usually gets flagged by TSA, just freeze a regular plastic water bottle the night before your flight. If the bottle is completely solid when you reach the security checkpoint, TSA treats it as ice, not liquid, which means it doesn't fall under the 311 rule. That's the beauty of it. You're basically walking in with a full water bottle without technically bringing water. It's simple, cheap, and nobody can say a word as long as it's frozen. What makes this trick so useful is how it works double duty. While you're waiting in line or walking through the airport, that frozen bottle keeps your snacks chilled like a mini ice pack. Cheese, fruit cups, wraps, everything stays fresh without you needing any special cooler. Then, by the time you're boarding or settling into your seat, the ice starts melting just enough for you to have an ice-cold drink without spending airport prices. Travelers have started buzzing about this again lately because TSA has been reminding people that frozen liquids are absolutely allowed as long as nothing has started to melt. That tiny rule, fully frozen, zero slush, is the difference between walking through like a pro or having the officer toss it out. To make it work smoothly, use a sturdy bottle, freeze it fully overnight, and try not to leave it out too long before screening. And if this trick feels clever, just wait until you see what's coming in trick number 9. Trick 10, the bento meal upgrade. It's a total game changer for anyone tired of overpriced airport food. A bento box can turn even a cramped economy seat into a mini picnic. You can pack grilled chicken slices, rice balls, roasted veggies, or cubed tofu. Everything solid, everything TSA approved. No messy sauces, no liquid restrictions, just real food that travels well. The best part? You get to customize it exactly how you like. Instead of paying $14 for a sad plastic-wrapped sandwich or wrap that tastes like cardboard, you decide what goes in. Add a mini fruit section, some cheese cubes, or even a boiled egg, all allowed through security as long as it's solid. The bento box keeps everything organized, so you don't have to fish through your bag mid-flight or worry about spills. It's compact, convenient, and actually satisfying. Your snacks stay intact, your tray table stays clean, and every bite feels fresh. Even better, it saves money, avoids mystery ingredients, and makes flying feel a little more civilized. Once you try it, you'll wonder why anyone ever buys the overpriced airport meals at all. This simple upgrade doesn't just improve your food, it improves your whole travel experience. Solid, fresh, TSA-approved meals are a small change with a big impact, letting you fly smarter, eat better, and feel a little luxury at 35,000 feet. Trick 9, the hidden hot meal thermos. Here's trick 9, and it's one of the smartest hacks for travelers who hate cold, bland airport food. You can bring a piping hot meal through TSA, but only if you pack it like a pro. The secret is a heat-locking thermos filled with solid foods. Think seasoned potatoes, roasted veggies, stir-fry, or stuffed parathas. Anything flavorful and hearty that doesn't have sauces or gravy. No liquid-heavy foods, no messy spills, no TSA problems. By sticking to solids, your thermos goes through security without a second glance, and your meal stays perfectly hot until you're ready to eat. Once you're on the plane, this hack completely transforms your flight experience. Imagine taking the first bite of your favorite homemade meal instead of unwrapping a sad, overpriced terminal sandwich. You're in control. Portion sizes, ingredients,
flavors, and freshness. There's no mystery meat, no plastic-wrapped blandness, and definitely no extra $12 charge for something that doesn't satisfy. Whether it's a long-haul flight, a short trip, or even a layover, your homemade thermos meal feels comforting, filling, and surprisingly luxurious for economy travelers.
Packing this way doesn't just save money, it saves stress and makes traveling far more enjoyable. You can prep it the night before, grab a few utensils, and walk right past the checkpoint with confidence. TSA-approved, convenient, and truly practical, this trick is one of those simple changes that makes a massive difference. Trick 8. The frozen anything loophole. Imagine walking past TSA with a frozen snack in hand and knowing it won't get flagged. That's the magic of Trick 8. The legend is real. If it's completely frozen, TSA treats it like a harmless solid, not a liquid. Frozen yogurt, a homemade smoothie, frozen guacamole, even mashed avocado. It all slides through without a single question. No spills, no measurements, no 311 drama. It's a total win for anyone tired of bland, overpriced airport food. Once you're on board, simply let it thaw naturally. By the time the plane reaches cruising altitude, your snack is perfectly chilled and ready to enjoy. It feels almost like bending the rules, a little in-flight wizardry that saves money, reduces stress, and ensures you're eating real food instead of sad terminal wraps. You get to sit back and smugly enjoy your perfectly packed snack while everyone else wonders why their plastic-wrapped sandwich tastes like cardboard.
This trick works best with single-serve portions. Freeze smoothies in small bottles, yogurt in cups, or mashed avocado in mini containers. Pack them in a soft cooler with a small ice pack and you're set. The key is fully frozen. Anything partially melted risks being treated as a liquid. With this hack, your snacks stay fresh, your bag stays clean, and your flight suddenly feels way more comfortable and satisfying. Trick 7. The Snack Shield Tube. Ever get to your seat and open your bag only to find your pretzels crushed and your sandwich flattened like a crime scene? That's the nightmare of traveling with snacks in flimsy packaging. Trick 7 solves this problem completely. Repurpose an empty Pringles can or a protein powder tube. These rigid, lightweight containers act as the ultimate anti-squish shield, keeping your snacks intact no matter how chaotic your bag gets tossed around. Your granola bars, cookies, or even delicate sandwiches stay perfectly safe, so you can pull them out ready to eat instead of scraping crumbs off your laptop or tray table. The best part? TSA has no issues with these containers since they're empty going through the checkpoint. Once you're past security, you've created a mini fortress for your snacks. This trick is especially useful for homemade granola bars or fragile baked goods, anything that wouldn't survive the trip in a regular zip bag or lunchbox. It's simple, practical, and instantly elevates your travel snack game.
With the Snack Shield tube, your snacks stay fresh, intact, and ready to enjoy, turning even the bumpiest flights into a much more comfortable and satisfying experience. And we're just getting started. Next trick will completely change the way you think about flying with snacks. It's one of those tips that, once you know it, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. Trick 6. The paper bag cloaking device. It's a low-key genius way to bypass the third bag headache. Airlines strictly count your carry-on and personal item, but TSA? They don't care about a little paper bag. Grab one from Starbucks or Pret or any terminal cafe and load your snacks inside. Suddenly, your homemade sandwich, trail mix, or packed fruit looks just like any other airport food, and no one bats an eye. Zero side-eye from gate agents, zero extra bag fees, and no awkward explanations. This simple move is perfect for keeping your snacks organized and discreet. You can tuck the paper bag inside your backpack or carry-on without adding bulk, and it effectively disguises anything homemade as standard airport food. TSA allows it because it's treated as a normal food item, and the airlines typically ignore it if it's packed neatly. This trick is especially handy if you're traveling with multiple containers, a thermos, or a small bento box. Suddenly, it all fits neatly under your radar.
With the paper bag cloaking device, you get freedom, convenience, and a smarter way to carry snacks. Your food stays safe, discreet, and TSA approved while you breeze past security feeling like you just hacked the system without breaking any rules. It's simple, effective, and totally underrated. Trick 5. The TSA-proof travel utensil move. Ever been mid-flight, excited to dig into your carefully packed meal, only to realize you forgot something as simple as a fork or spoon? Suddenly, that delicious thermos of scrambled eggs, bento box, or thawed frozen snack becomes a frustrating challenge. You're left poking at your food with a coffee stirrer or trying to manage with your fingers, and the whole experience feels awkward and messy. That's exactly why Trick 5 is a game changer. Carry lightweight silicone, bamboo, or plastic utensils. Nothing sharp, no metal knives, just practical tools TSA doesn't care about. These utensils are compact, reusable, and easy to clean, making them perfect for any flight. They slide neatly into your bag, snack container, or a small pouch alongside your other travel essentials. With the right utensils, every in-flight meal becomes easy and enjoyable. You can eat comfortably, without spills, without juggling items, and without turning your tray table into a mini disaster zone. This is especially useful if you're traveling with hot meals, bento boxes, or delicate snacks that need precision to eat. Frequent travelers swear by it, but most casual flyers overlook it entirely, thinking they can make do with flimsy stirrers or their fingers.
Using the right utensil set might seem minor, but it instantly elevates your travel meal experience, making it cleaner, simpler, and more enjoyable. By adding this one small item to your carry-on, you're effectively upgrading your in-flight dining game without breaking any rules or adding bulk. It's a tiny change with a huge impact. If these hacks are helping so far, hit subscribe. I share travel tips like this every week. The next half of this list gets even more useful, and you won't want to miss it. Trick 4. The organized bag that glides through security. Airports can be stressful, especially when you're juggling multiple bags and snacks and watching the line move painfully slow. Trick 4 is all about making that security process smooth, stress-free, and fast. The secret? Pack all your snacks into one clear, transparent pouch, just like you would with a laptop. TSA agents can see everything in a glance, which means no digging through your carry-on, no awkward, "Sir, is this boiled egg yours?" questions, or any accidental delays for other passengers. It's a simple step that saves you time, energy, and embarrassment. Think of it this way. When all your snacks are consolidated in one place, you're effectively cutting out any confusion at the scanner. Granola bars, protein bites, small fruits, even travel-size spreads, all neatly contained and instantly visible. This not only keeps your food safe from being squished or spilling, but it also gives you peace of mind. You don't have to fumble through your bag while stressed TSA agents wait, and you can slide your pouch in and out of the bin like a pro. The more organized your pouch is, the more seamless your experience becomes. Frequent flyers swear by this method, yet most travelers completely overlook it, still fumbling with multiple containers and random wrappers.
The takeaway? Consolidation and visibility are your allies. With a single, clear pouch, you make life easier for both yourself and the agents scanning your bag. Snacks glide through security without issue. You save precious time, and you can focus on the actual flight instead of a stressful checkpoint. It's a small adjustment that immediately makes traveling with food smarter, cleaner, and more professional. Trick 3. The gourmet in-your-seat snack board. Flying economy often feels like a compromise between comfort and practicality, but Trick 3 is all about turning your ordinary seat into a personal gourmet experience. You don't need a first-class ticket to impress. A simple snack board can make your tray table look like a miniature luxury spread. Solid cheeses, slices of salami, berries, almonds, all TSA approved and easy to pack, transform your flight into a more enjoyable and satisfying experience. It's practical, fun, and surprisingly social, as people around you will glance over with a mix of curiosity and envy, wondering how you manage such a spread in an economy seat.
The beauty of this trick lies in its combination of simplicity and impact. With a small container, a divided lunchbox, or even a soft pouch, you can arrange a variety of solid, mess-free foods that stay intact throughout the flight. Unlike flimsy airport sandwiches that crumble the second you open them, this method ensures your snacks remain visually appealing, fresh, and enjoyable. It also gives you control over quality and nutrition, allowing you to enjoy what you like instead of settling for overpriced, low-quality options at the terminal. The snack board isn't just about looking fancy, it's about upgrading your travel experience. You feel prepared, confident, and a little smug, knowing that while others are peeling plastic wrappers, you're enjoying a curated spread you packed yourself. The best part? It's easy, portable, and completely TSA compliant, making it one of the smartest ways to enjoy food while flying. Trick 2. The empty jar transformation trick. Flying with snacks can quickly turn into a chaotic mess, especially when turbulence hits or your bag shifts mid-flight. Trick 2 is all about turning a simple, empty plastic jar into your personal in-flight food studio. Imagine this: a lightweight, reusable jar packed neatly with fruit cups, yogurt, granola, or dry cereal. No crushed crackers, no squished fruit, no wrappers flying around like confetti. Everything stays contained, easy to access, and mess-free. The beauty of this trick is how versatile it is. You can layer items to create a parfait, combine sweet and salty snacks, or separate different types of finger foods without any risk of them blending together.
This method is particularly helpful for travelers who like variety or our own long flights. Instead of opening multiple containers or constantly juggling snacks, you simply reach for your jar and enjoy. It keeps your carry-on organized and makes eating at 35,000 feet feel intentional and stress-free. Plus, it's entirely TSA compliant. Empty jars don't raise eyebrows, and once filled after security, they give you complete control over what and how you eat. Frequent flyers love this trick because it's lightweight, portable, and customizable, turning even economy class into a little oasis of personal comfort. By using an empty jar, you're essentially upgrading your in-flight snack game with minimal effort. It's a small investment for a huge payoff. Clean, organized, and delicious meals that keep you satisfied while everyone else fumbles with crushed wrappers and soggy food. This trick proves that flying smart isn't about skipping snacks, it's about packing them cleverly. Trick 1. The dry snack arsenal. When it comes to in-flight snacking, dry snacks are the undefeated champions. Trick 1 focuses on building your own TSA-proof arsenal with items that are mess-free, shelf-stable, and travel-ready. Think crispy chickpeas, dried mango, beet chips, or freeze-dried cheese. These snacks don't melt, spill, or run afoul of the 3-1-1 liquid rules. They're dependable, easy to pack, and provide steady fuel throughout the flight.
The beauty of dry snacks is their versatility. They fit perfectly in small containers, jars, or snack pouches, keeping your bag organized while giving you variety. You can munch slowly over a long flight or combine different flavors for a quick energy boost without ever needing a fork or spoon. Because they're solid and shelf-stable, TSA sees no threat. No lines, no extra inspections, no surprise tosses. It's all effortless, low-stress snacking. Dry snacks also let you avoid overpriced airport options that are often bland, soggy, or overpriced. By having your own reliable stash, you maintain control over nutrition, taste, and cost. Whether it's a cross-country flight or a short domestic hop, this arsenal keeps hunger at bay and stress levels low. In short, dry snacks are the foundation of smart, prepared travel.
Congratulations! You're officially smarter than every overpriced airport snack counter out there. Click any of these videos on your screen and I'll see you in a moment.